Welcome to my channel Coding Center Official. In this video, we'll create a stylish search bar using HTML and CSS. Here's the HTML code for the search bar. We have a div container with the class search container, an input field for user input, and an icon element inside the container. I set the background color, border, and add some padding. The icon is left side of the input field. I hope you like this search bar coding video. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more amazing coding videos.